Hello and welcome to Ibile Update. Here we bring you updates on activities in the 57 local council areas of the state. I am Taiwo Babatunde on Ibile Update today. Agbado Oke-Odo LCDA brought healthcare closer to residents with a free medical outreach offering consultations and medications. Joy Olu reports.
The free medical outreach organized by Agbado Oke-Odo LCDA has offered residents a rare opportunity to receive quality healthcare services without financial barriers, a gesture that made a real difference in the lives of many beneficiaries. Residents were attended to by medical professionals and benefited from general consultations, blood pressure and blood sugar checks, eye examinations, free medications and health education focused on disease prevention and healthy living. Throughout the outreach, emphasis was placed on preventive healthcare, with residents encouraged to adopt healthier lifestyles and seek early medical attention to prevent avoidable complications.
As part of activities making my first 100 days in office, we definitely chose to begin with the free medical mission, because big governance must first protect fire, roads, schools and infrastructure are important, but none of them matters if our people are not alive and healthy enough to use them.
As part of efforts to strengthen healthcare delivery, an ambulance was presented to the Agbado Oke-Odo LCDA Primary Healthcare Center. The new addition is expected to improve emergency response and enhance access to urgent medical services within the community.
We are going to continue to work with all our other chairmen, the chief executives of our local governments and LCDAs in Health District 1. We have 10 LGAs and LCDAs in Lagos Health District 1. Agbado Oke-Odo has blazed the trail. I know that many others would want to emulate. All in all, it means that health service delivery to the citizenry, to the common man, will keep touching them directly.
The event also featured the recognition of the one-day chairman, the winner of the council's spelling bee competition, underscoring the administration's commitment to youth development and education.
I, Ali Joshua, the one-day chairman for Agbado Oke-Odo LCDA, I want to approve 5 computer system sets to Somolu Senior Secondary School at Agbado, Lagos.
The 2-day medical outreach forms part of activities marking the first 100 days in office of the council chairman, Abiodun Shola, reflecting a people-centered leadership approach that places the health, education and overall well-being of residents at the heart of governance in Agbado Oke-Odo LCDA. Relief came with dignity for elderly residents of Somolu local government as the council rolled out the 4th edition of the Renewed Hope Food Palliative Program, offering timely support to senior citizens. The initiative, driven by the Council's people-centered approach, is aimed at ensuring that development reaches the most vulnerable, particularly the elderly who have spent years contributing to community growth. The Executive Chairman Lateef Ashimi described the program as a deliberate effort to make governance felt at the household level.
It's part of our way of giving back to our community, most especially this festive period, and this will make it a 4th edition that we are doing today. As we normally do, we call them down to the stipulated area to come for it, and we've done it. The only area we just want them to be cautioned about is how to celebrate their festive period. That they tell their children that they should be cautioned about the way they celebrate. They should stop throwing bangers here and there so that they will not be harmful to themselves and the community. And also we are using the medium to tell our people that carnival issue is not allowed in Somolu during this festive period, because we want a peaceful rejoicement within our people and our community.
For beneficiaries, the food support was more than assistance, it was reassurance. Many received the palliatives with gratitude, describing the gesture as thoughtful and well-timed.
What in the assembly they do, they are doing well. And every people, they are happy concerning this food what the insurance give the people. I don't know how people be thankful for him, because you do well. I thank for my God and for the chairman. This 4th time, but this is my first time I take this. But I thank God. But I thank our chairman. I thank for everybody.
Oh, okay.
We thank God. God will continue to bless them. They should help we that are using crutches.
They
collect every day. Every day I say they come here and collect. As I no collect, they give me money.
For what they have done for us, it was a show of love for us elderly. We pray that they will also grow older.
As smiles replaced worry, the message was clear. In Somolu, progress is measured not only by projects, but by how lives are touched and hope renewed.
And in Ojo local government, the council reviewed its first 100 days in office, highlighting progress in infrastructure, healthcare, and social support. Toyosi Ajayi's report was presented from our studio.
Smoother roads, improved public services and renewed attention to community needs are taking shape across Ojo local government as the council takes stock of its first 100 days in office, outlining people-focused achievements already impacting daily life. At a press briefing to mark the milestone, the council leadership highlighted ongoing rehabilitation of key roads and drainage systems, steps aimed at improving movement, reducing flooding and enhancing safety across communities.
When you entrusted me with your mandate, I pledged a government of action under the Ways agenda, which stands for work, health, agriculture, capacity development, education, and sustainability with security. We have commenced major rehabilitation and reconstruction of roads across the local government. We have restored and upgraded multiple boreholes to ensure access to clean water in Ojo Town, Ira, Tedi, Muwo. We have so many abandoned boreholes that is no more working. We try as much as possible to upgrade them, about 10 of them. And it has been put, our people are already making use of it in various communities now.
The administration also pointed to interventions in healthcare, education, youth empowerment and support for small business owners, reflecting a broader effort to strengthen livelihoods and social services.
Under health, we constructed and equipped one-of-a-kind primary health center in Tafi and Ajangbadi. We launched an e-birth registration for seamless collection of birth certificates. We conducted a critical breast cancer screening for over 500 women within the local government. We are currently in every community a polio vaccination team to protect our children. We supported widows, senior citizens, and vulnerable families through targeted relief programs. Under education and youth empowerment, we have introduced our Back to School initiative across the local government. By the time they are resuming in January, that is when we are starting that. We have provided free GC forms to indigent students and hosted free ICT and digital literacy learning for over 100 youths. We sponsor spelling bee competition. We have screened indigent students for bursary award. We have empowered over 1,000 women of our local government with a whopping amount of 100,000 naira to boost their business-scale businesses.
The engagement allowed members of the press to seek clarification on project implementation, timelines and funding, with the council chairman providing responses and assurances on accountability. Looking ahead, the council says additional people-oriented projects are in the pipeline, anchored on the recently presented 2026 budget of renewed hope. For many residents of Olorunda LCDA, progress is not measured in speeches or ceremonies, but in items they could take home, use and turn into income. Small business owners received cash grants to support their trade, offering relief to traders grappling with rising costs and limited access to capital. Beyond cash, work tools were distributed to artisans across different vocations: motorcycles, grinding machines, hair dryers, sewing machines and generators, enabling them serve more customers and increase earnings. Residents also benefited from the distribution of food palliative, offering immediate relief to many households, reinforcing the need for social support within the community.
I think it's amazing. It's super amazing because this is to create lots of opportunities for people.
What to appreciate it is to put more effort in my work, be consistent and be punctual at work, and also be more diligent and do what I'm supposed to do so that I will be able to add more, to be more productive to Olorunda LCDA, and to make sure that the management team and the chairman are proud of me anytime and anywhere.
In a move aimed at improving community safety and effective representation, official vehicles were presented to councillors and the council security team, a step expected to enhance mobility, visibility and faster response to security concerns within Olorunda.
Indeed, the mandate that has been freely given to us during the July 12th local council election was a social contract and a solemn agreement to serve with integrity, diligence, and unwavering commitment to the well-being of our people. Today, as part of this 100 days milestone, we are rendering an account of our stewardship. Under our reshaped agenda, from the onset, the administration resolved to uphold transparency, probity, and accountability, and ensuring that governance remains open, inclusive, and people-centered.
I thank the chairman for giving us to present us the official vehicle, the legislative arms of Olorunda. We really thank him very well, very, very well, because of what he did to us and the Olorunda entirely.
For residents, the interventions reflect a focus on practical governance, one that places tools in the hands of the people and prioritizes livelihoods, welfare and safety.
Before we end the program today, if you have any information to share with us, please send us an SMS or WhatsApp message to the number on your screen. Do join us every weekdays at 8:20 a.m. or 12:15 and repeat broadcast at 11 p.m. You can also watch Ibile updates on YouTube. I am Taiwo Babatunde. Thank you for watching.
Oh, yeah.